HTML headings are more than just a way to organize content. They play a crucial role in SEO and accessibility. Let's dive into why they matter and how to use them effectively. First off, HTML headings range from H1 to H6, with H1 being the most important. Think of H1 as the title of a book. It tells both users and search engines what the main topic of your page is. You should only have one H1 per page, and it should be descriptive and relevant. This is your chance to grab attention, so make it count. Now let's talk about H2S and H3S. These are your subheadings, and they help break down your content into digestible sections. Using H2S for major sections and H3S for subsections not only improves readability, but also helps search engines understand the structure of your content. It's like giving a roadmap to both your readers and search engines, guiding them through your ideas. When it comes to SEO, headings are essential. Search engines use them to determine the hierarchy and relevance of your content. If you sprinkle keywords naturally into your headings, you're signaling to search engines what your page is about. But remember, don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing can hurt your rankings. Instead, focus on creating meaningful headings that reflect the content that follows. Accessibility is another critical aspect of using headings correctly. Screen readers rely on headings to navigate through content. If you use headings properly, you're making it easier for visually impaired users to understand your page structure. This not only enhances user experience, but also aligns with best practices for web accessibility. Everyone deserves to access information easily, and proper heading usage is a step in that direction. Consistency is key. Make sure your headings are formatted correctly and follow a logical order. Jumping from an H1 to an H4 without using H2 or H3 can confuse both users and search engines. Stick to a clear hierarchy, and your content will flow better. Lastly, don't forget about styling. While HTML defines the structure, CSS defines the look. Use CSS to make your headings stand out, but ensure they remain clear and readable. A visually appealing heading can draw attention, but clarity should always come first. In summary, effective use of HTML headings enhances both SEO and accessibility. They help organize your content, improve user experience, and signal to search engines what your page is about. So, take the time to craft your headings thoughtfully. It's a small effort that can lead to significant rewards in visibility and usability.